In our previous episodes, we've discussed the search for alien life, the environments they could inhabit, and the possible consequences of first contact. But today, we're tackling one of the most exciting and perhaps most challenging questions of all. How could we communicate with aliens? If we find intelligent life, how do we bridge the gap between our vastly different worlds? Let's explore the methods, the challenges, and the potential breakthroughs that could help us communicate with extraterrestrial civilizations. The search for alien communication has been ongoing for decades. The most well-known effort is the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI. This program listens for signals from space, radio waves, electromagnetic pulses, or other unusual patterns that could indicate an intelligent source. For years, astronomers have been scanning the sky, hoping to catch a transmission from an alien civilization, but so far we've found nothing definitive. Why? It could be that we're not listening in the right way, or maybe aliens are using technologies far beyond our current understanding. One of the biggest challenges in alien communication is the assumption that aliens would use the same technologies and methods as we do. Radio waves and electromagnetic signals may seem like an obvious way to communicate, but it's possible that alien civilizations have developed entirely different forms of communication, methods we might not even recognize. What if they use light, gravitational waves, or even quantum entanglement to send messages across vast distances? And then there's the language barrier. We may have signals, but can we understand them? What if their language is based on something entirely foreign to us, like sound frequencies, colors, or even mathematical equations? To detect alien signals, scientists look for patterns that stand out against the cosmic background noise. Natural phenomena like pulsars and quasars can produce repetitive signals, but these aren't alien. They're just the result of extreme cosmic conditions. The trick is identifying patterns that don't occur naturally. If aliens are sending signals, we'd be looking for something deliberate, something that shows intelligence. A sequence of numbers, a repeating rhythm, or a signal that seems out of place. But how do we even know what a deliberate looks like in the vastness of space? One idea that has been proposed is that mathematics could be the key to understanding alien messages. Numbers and mathematical concepts like prime numbers are considered universal. Whether you're human, alien, or anything else, math is a language that should transcend any cultural or biological barriers. In 1974, scientists sent a message from the Arecibo observatory to a star cluster called Messier 13, encoded in binary code. The message was made up of basic information: our DNA structure, the solar system's planets, and a representation of a human being. If an alien civilization is listening, they might recognize these patterns and understand that the message is from an intelligent species. While radio signals are the most common medium for our searches, another possible form of communication could be visual, using light or images to transmit messages. Imagine an alien civilization sending a series of carefully timed light pulses, encoding information in a way similar to how we use pixels in digital images. In fact, we've already experimented with this kind of communication. The idea of using lasers to transmit information across space has been explored by scientists, and some believe that this could be how alien civilizations send signals to us. Whether through radio waves, light, or other means, we'd need to be looking for any signal that's more than just noise. One of the biggest hurdles in the search for alien communication is the sheer distance between us and potential alien civilizations. Our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That means any signal from an alien civilization in that system would take over 4 years to reach us, one way. If we send a message back, it would take another 4 years to get to them. In the grand scale of the universe, that's a tiny fraction of time, but it's a huge gap for us. If aliens are trying to contact us, their signals could be millions of years old by the time they reach us, and even longer for any response we might send. How do we account for that kind of delay? Not only are we searching for alien signals, but we're also sending our own. The question is, should we? We've already sent messages into space, most famously the Arecibo message in 1974, designed to be a universal greeting to any intelligent extraterrestrial life. But there's a debate about whether it's wise to announce our presence to the cosmos. If we make ourselves known, we might attract the attention of civilizations far more advanced than us. Should we continue broadcasting our existence, or should we proceed with caution? The risks and rewards of sending signals are still a topic of intense debate among scientists, ethicists, and governments. Could artificial intelligence be the key to cracking the alien communication code? AI has made huge strides in deciphering complex patterns in data, and it might be just the tool we need to decode alien messages. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of information quickly, AI could spot subtle patterns and help us make sense of signals that might seem random at first. In fact, some researchers are already using machine learning to identify alien-like signals from space. Perhaps in the future, AI will help us understand messages we can't yet comprehend. Whether through radio waves, light signals, or even mathematics, the search for alien communication is one of humanity's greatest challenges. If we ever receive a message from an extraterrestrial civilization, it will be a moment that defines our place in the universe. But for now, we continue to search, listen, and hope. How do you think we could communicate with aliens? What would you do if we finally received a message from another civilization? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep listening, because the conversation with the cosmos might be closer than we think.